Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we have a few goodies to be installing. It's more interior and also exterior as well. But so today it's finally come down. I have a new stop button. Like I told you in previous videos, it's blue. Obviously the original one is black. I've showed you before. I have a M Sport, well, the M Sport pretty much gear knob, which we're going to be installing. Instead of this little crappy one right here, it's already, as you can see, it's all dented off and stuff like that. But yeah, and also we have some new reversing lights, because my car is currently tinted. I find it a bit hard when you're reversing because it's quite dark in here, especially obviously trying to look at the rear and the yellow lights. I don't think it's the best, but so these are what they look like. So these are my reversing ones. I got this for about £12 on Amazon. It's supposed to be very, very bright. We'll see. We'll be installing that, but yeah, let's go ahead with the install. Right, first things first. Things first is we have to remove this. It's quite simple. I never knew how to do it, but I looked online and it's pretty much simple. So you have to do is just grab it and just pretty much rip it off, and that's pretty much, you see this groove here. It's pretty much exactly the same thing as you would with the old one. Now the new one is this bit here. It's quite small. It's smaller. It's a smaller difference, like, because if you see that, it's quite small compared to the other one, and it literally just goes in and clicks back in. And so a bit small as well, so when you're driving it does actually feel much better compared to the big chubby one. I prefer the smaller one. It's quite cool actually. It feels better as well when you're driving. It's quite small, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Right, next thing is the button. Now, this is the stop button. Now, how I do it, I just prise it out with a flathead and it just comes straight off. Now, very simple. So pretty much just comes off the clip like that. That's it. So quite simple. All you have to do is pretty much just push out the button and does that. So it pretty much goes into this space bit, and yeah, that's the button there. Put that through there and off the button comes. Perfect, like that. Now, why not get rid of all the chrome and all the silver, as you see in my previous video? So I've wrapped the housing that goes around the button like that. So we're going to be installing this blue one right here. So it is fairly simple. So you see this little notch here, that one there, goes into the top there, as you don't know if you can see that little notch there. So all you have to do is just put the notch, line it up, and then just click, and that's it. Button's installed. Now all you do now is that little slot that goes on top like that, and then done. And that is the button. Right, so let's install this now. So the clip goes back in a little slot like that, and as you can see now, it looks quite good. And push in, boom, done. So that is looking quite good. So that's done. Obviously, as you've seen in my previous video, we've all wrapped this now. So all you have to do is this bit here. and that, and also the steering wheel, which we should be doing in the next video. But so that is it. We've done the gear knob, the button. Now we've got the reversing lights. So as you can see the difference. So that's the white one, and that is the yellow one. You can see a big difference. So hopefully I should be able to have a look and see better. But yeah, that's a big difference. So guys, I have finished installing the reverse lights. Yeah, I can say it's so much better. I would say that you should get it, because if you have tinted windows out there and yellow ones, it's not enough for you, get these super bright white ones. You can get them on Amazon or eBay for about £12. I got the super bright ones. They're more expensive. They've got LEDs all around it, but yeah, they're super bright. Yeah, that's it from this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's a short video. It's because I received them through the post and I thought, well, why not do it? Because I was so eager to get them on the car. It's just to get that look a bit better. But yeah, the start button, we did the start and stop button today in blue. I wrapped the chrome bit around it into the carbon fibre because I don't want any chrome in the car. I prefer just black and black pretty much. I've done the gear knob, as you can see, as you've seen on before. It's an M Sport, I think, the M Sports, just the M version. It's so much better, and it feels better as well. And it's quite smaller than the original one, which it feels better when you're driving. As I took it for a drive, and to see how the rear reverse lights are. But yeah, perfect. I would recommend getting all three of them. If you like blue, yeah, go ahead. And it's quite nice with the orange, orangey light coming from the back of the blue. But yeah, that's it. That's it for me today. I have something else I've just arrived as well. I'll give you a sneak peek. That's for another video. I'll give you a little sneak peek. A little sneak peek. I want to show you what it is. You have to guess what it is. You have to guess what this is. This will be on the next video. Which is probably a bit short video as well, but it's just how to install really. But so I won't show you too much. That's for you to find out. If you want to find out, I suggest you subscribe and like this video, because I think we are going to be going on a journey together. If you want to join me on this journey, like I said, I will be posting videos every single week. I won't miss a week. Well, it depends. But no, every single week I'll be doing a video. If you want to find out what that is, I suggest you subscribe and come back later on to find out what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, please leave a like and subscribe, show your support. And that's it. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Because I did. I'm so eager to get those things. But yeah, peace.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.